Hello everyone, you're watching EnglanGo and this is your instructor Hamid Talash Ibrahimi with you all with one of the essential and important topic today, that is about what to read, how to read and why to read. Reading is pleasure. Reading is fun. And let me begin it with a good quote that think before you speak and read before you think. हमारी थिंकिंग एबिलिटी तब खूबसूरत होती है जब हमारे पास रीडिंग क्वालिटी हो. Now, students might be thinking what to read. सबसे पहला question. When I ask student, please start reading, they are saying, sir, what to read? मेरे लेवल का क्या है? The second question that they are arising, some of them are reading. They're saying, sir, the problem that we have, how to read? हम तो रीडिंग करते हैं लेकिन फोकस नहीं करते हैं, नहीं हो सकता हमसे. The third one is why to read. When you know the reason, when you know the condition, how to read it, and when you know the choice that I'm gonna read this, then things are becoming easy. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna clear to you what to read, how to read, and why to read. Dear all, you need to know that which level student you are. Students of the school, I mean beginner level, students of the school, and then college students, and then university student. Now, for students of the school, there are specific books, there are specific novels, there are specific newspapers and magazines that they should focus on. For example, Alchemist. If they are in need of reading novel, they should go for Alchemist. Or short stories. Is one of my students, she has written a book, and I really congratulate her for this achievement. That is The Day It All Began, a short story book. You can improve yourself with that too. Like Statement, the newspaper, that will help you if you're a beginner, if you're a school level student. The Giver is another book. The Secret, that is personality building book. If you want to know about the secret of life, then you have to read the book Secret. Like this, for college students, you need to know about Khalid Hosseini's book, The Kite Runner, etc. वो बहुत अच्छा चॉइस है आपके पास कि आप रीड कर दें उनको. उसके साथ साथ अगर आप जो है फोकस करते हैं, कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स फोकस करते हैं रीडिंग पे, so the most interesting thing is the power of habit. Besides that, thinking fast and slow, and psychology of learning and behavior. What am I going to recommend to college and university? Both students, they must read the book Psychology of Learning and Behavior. ये बहुत important है, you need to know about it. Now, there are different books. Like this, they can focus on Frontier News, Frontier Post, they can focus on Daily Time newspapers. And newspapers को भी पढ़ सकते हैं because these newspapers are having, simple vocabulary or intermediate level vocabulary. When it comes to the university level students, the students of CSS, PMS, or other competitive exams, then the things get changed. Then you need to go for the high level novels like the 40 Rules of Love and XYZ. There are many other novels. Besides that, as I earlier mentioned, that you need to go for the Psychology of Learning and Behavior. Also for them, Jangir World Times books, they are very important that they should focus and read, current affairs of the world or world affair. They can go for the public administration box. They can go for international relationship box. They can go for Dawn newspaper. Focus on Dawn newspaper. कैसे आपने न्यूज़पेपर को पढ़ना है, उससे कैसे vocabulary को निकालना है, और कैसे आपने जो है फिर उसकी summary लिखनी है. This is very important. Besides that, you need to go to Al Jazeera, you need to go to the Economist magazines. They are different choices with you कि आपने किस चीज़ को read करना है, I mean what to read. Now the next question is how to read, but before going to how to read, let me describe to you that we are having two types of readers. One is intensive reader, a person who reads for the purpose of academic, to get knowledge and improve himself or herself for the purpose of education. The next one is known as extensive reader. Extensive reader is someone who reads for the purpose of pleasure, जो कि सिर्फ for the purpose of pleasure वो read करता है. और सबसे जो important point है, that is to search your interest. Now, how to read? You need to know your interest. पहला तो आपको interest देखना है, आपने देखना है कि मैं किस चीज़ में इंटरेस्टेड हूँ. Once you come to know about your interest, then it becomes easy to select a book or newspaper or magazine and read it down. Besides that, you need to focus on chapters. हर बुक में प्रॉपर चैप्टर्स होते हैं. आपने क्या करना है, जैसे एक चैप्टर ख़त्म हो जाता है, एक पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी हो जाती है, आपने उसकी समरी राइट डाउन करनी है. So you will not forget. You will know about the summary. And when you are reading, sometimes students are saying, sir, we cannot focus. You need to, like keep aside your mobile and these things. आपने थोड़ा उनको साइड पे रखना है. आपने जो है अपने लिए environment build करनी है. And you need to give at least 25 to 30 minutes for reading. पर इसी तरह you need to go with schedule. And you need to know when to read. Sometimes we want to read, but there is no time for it. I mean, we don't have proper schedule, and sometimes we are having different other engagements. When you have different other engagements, आप focus नहीं कर सकते reading पे. So try your level best to know when to read and how to read. आपने focus करना है कि ये जो free time है, I have this free time and I'm reading. Now when you are reading, obviously difficult words will come. So you have to take out the words, write down the meaning of them, use it in the sentence. And after reading the whole article from a newspaper 2-3 times, you understand now the meaning of the words, each and everything. फिर आपने उनकी summary लिखनी है, अपने अल्फाज में same चीज़ को write down करना है. And try to use the vocabulary that you have taken out from it. Besides that, why to read? Now the question arises, why to read? As I said, some people are reading for the purpose of academic. कुछ लोग academic की वजह से read करती हैं. Sometimes people are reading for the purpose of improvement, pleasure, getting knowledge. If they want to know about scientific proofs, they want to know about the affairs, world affairs, what's going on in the world. They want to know about economic. They want to know about different things, जिसको general knowledge आप कहते हैं. Now, there are different purposes, and you need to know the purpose of reading. आप क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं? Why are you reading? You need to know the reason. You want to have academic knowledge, you want to have general knowledge, you want to have, pleasure, simple, or you want to boost up your memory. This is also important. Sometimes we are reading only to broaden our mindset, because reading, it does. And it is a good saying that a good leader is a smart reader. A good reader is a smart leader. Someone who reads more can lead the society and people. And if you see all the people you might know about book reading, made Warren Buffett a smart entrepreneur of the world. Selling books or reading books and then selling books, writing the review of it, made this Jeff Bezos the best world seller. And you need to know in the whole world, the great leaders, smart people, effective people, the ones who are contributing in the economy of the world, the ones who are successful, their habit is reading. They love to read. Or if you are a basic reader, आपने ये focus करना है how to read, what to read and why to read. Now, how to read में मैंने आपको बताया कि आपको पता होना चाहिए how to take out the words, the vocabulary, each and everything. That is making your skill amazing, and that is going to bring an enormous change in your knowledge and capabilities. Thank you so much. It was all for today. If there is any question, inquiry, you're most welcome to ask me. Have a great time for now.